Thank you very much for watching this video today. I know if you've been searching for the hot deal on the beach with clear title, this is your video. So let's go and walk together these beautiful oceanfront lots. Salinas Grandes is well known for many people that love to come and practice surfing. So if you like to surf and you say, Carlos, I've been searching and hunting online for that beachfront property that is not too pricey and is in my budget, but at the same time I want to get a good deal, this is definitely that chance. I am right now in the small kitchen. Excellent, is situated perfectly. This is what we have, like a little kitchenette, a fridge, your sink. So like, take a look. Yes, you have water. So we don't want to waste too much water. So right now, on the other side of this room, we have the full bathroom, a shower and a toilet. The land of this is more than 1,000 square meters, so you have enough room to build more units. Everything is here: water, power, city water, septic system, electricity, internet. So yes, if you work from the distance, this is not a problem at all. Property you will see is all fenced. It's straight from the main road that comes from Salinas Grandes that can take you straight to the highway and then go to León. So it's not that far away, probably 35 minutes or less. Let's continue looking and walk this property, because if this is what you've been searching, a good price, clear title with everything in it, this is it. This is what I'm talking about oceanfront, walking distance. This is great. Look at this. Everything is right here. The fence of the property, keep everything clear about the size of the lot. And right now, let's go to see the beautiful shore of the oceanfront. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Thank you, Medo. She's been filming all day with me. So guys, if you've been searching and looking for a property like this, oceanfront, clear title, this is a good deal. Here you are, my telephone number and my email, and you can call me and say, Carlos, let's talk about that deal. Very soon we're gonna have this property and all my social media. And don't forget, subscribe. I want to see you in the next adventure.